Hello everyone, everything everywhere. Here I am, I'm back. For today, I will not do singing, I will not do cooking. So, I'm gonna spend my day today to do my own cabinet. Do it yourself or do it myself. So, stay tuned and put your comment below if you think this really nice idea or you would like to do the same. What I have here, I have so many of boxes which is for balikbayan box. So I'm just thinking that maybe my idea to make my own cabinet will be successful. So let's do it. Now I have this after I cut. I'm planning to put curtain.